Hello everyone, Funbird, your early bird, welcome back. Tired of missing out on another sweet deal? Hit subscribe and let us help. What if your ring could actually save your life? Not just track your sleep, but tap you on the finger when something is off, right in the moment. Meet the VITA ring. It's a smart ring built from aerospace-grade zirconia ceramic, 3 times harder than titanium, and just 2.7 millimeters thin. But the real story here is the AI system running behind it. Most smart rings just log data and let you check it tomorrow. VITA ring uses a multi-agent wellness system, 3 layers of intelligence working together. It monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen, breathing patterns, sleep stages, and stress levels continuously. When it detects a shift in your baseline, it sends a gentle vibration right to your finger. No phone check needed. It also has an emergency SOS feature in something called Circle of Care, which can automatically notify your designated contacts if something urgent comes up. There is menstrual cycle tracking, HRV analysis, and even gesture controls for music and camera. Each ring goes through 218 hours of sintering at over 1600 degrees, then 15,000 polishing rotations with diamond burrs. That jade-like finish is not just for looks. The super early bird at $199 is sold out, but the early bird is still available at $229, which is 43% off the expected retail of $399. You get the ring charging case, sizing kit, the app, and a full year of VITA Intelligence membership. Over 200 backers are in, and it is sitting at 562% funded with 26 days left. If you want a ring that does more than count steps, this one is worth a serious look. Picture a blade the size of your fingernail that actually cuts better than a full-size knife. Sounds impossible, right? This is the NanoArc by Backing Tech. It is a micro EDC tool built around a curved carabit-style edge, made from M390 steel with a titanium frame. At this scale, straight blades just slip and lose contact. The inward curve keeps the edge engaged the entire time, so you get more effective cuts per millimeter with less force. The thing is genuinely tiny. It clips onto a keychain, a zipper pull, a necklace, or you can actually wear it as a ring. This is the 3rd generation of their knife ring series, and it comes in sizes 8 through 13. Flip it open and you have a cutting tool. Close it, and it is just a clean looking ring. Every unit is CNC machined with tight tolerances. You get a flipper open design for one-handed deployment, jimping along the spine for grip, and a ceramic ball bearing pivot that makes for a pretty satisfying fidget. There are 3 handle options: standard titanium, zirconium with a gold anodized spine, or Zirca T with a DLC black titanium spine. The super early bird is $39, with 44 left out of 100. That gets you one NanoArc in titanium with M390 blade. If you want both the NanoArc and the knife ring, there is a combo tier at $59, but 140 backers, nearly 800% funded, 25 days to go. Tiny tool, big engineering, hard not to appreciate that. 26 pockets, 58 feature, and it turns into a backpack. Yeah, this jacket is a bit much in the best way possible. This is the ISOLA26 by Jacopo and the team at Minimal Organized Wear. It is a 365-day waterproof adventure jacket designed to protect, organize, and adapt to basically any situation you throw at it. The standout feature is the pocket mapping system with dual access, 26 smart pockets, each with a specific purpose. There is a 3D touch view smart sleeve that lets you interact with your phone's GPS without pulling it out. And the line vault uses radiation shielded fabric to create a dead zone around your device, blocking all signals, tracking, and contactless scans. Mode switching is where it gets wild. Wear it as a jacket, unclip it into a sling bag, or flip the built-in inner lining, fold the jacket in, attach the shoulder straps, and you have a legit backpack. 3 modes, 1 system. The waterproof fabrics are rated for multiple temperature ranges, and the whole thing is built with high-performance materials. This is their 8th Kickstarter campaign, and they have delivered to thousands of backers across over 150 countries. The most popular tier is the super early bird jacket plus thermocloud insulated inner layer at about $276. Nearly 600 backers grabbed it, but there are only 4 left. The jacket alone starts at about $7 at super early bird. Over 1,600 backers, 5,200% funded, 11 days remaining. If you want one jacket that replaces your entire travel loadout, this might be it. Still fumbling with HDMI cables? Every time you walk into a meeting room, there might be a better way. This is Lux, a plug-and-play 4K wireless transmitter and receiver system. No app, no Bluetooth pairing, no Wi-Fi setup. You literally plug the transmitter into your laptop and the receiver into any display, and it just works. It runs on next-gen 5G Wi-Fi transmission with smart dual-band auto switching between 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. The range is up to 50 meters, and it works through walls. 4K at 30 Hz, stable Instacast, 1 tap to stop. There are 2 transmitter versions, USB-C with DisplayPort alt mode and HDMI. You get both mirror mode for presentations and extended mode for dual screen productivity. It even supports Samsung DeX mode and does automatic landscape portrait adaptation. The multi-receiver setup supports up to 8 transmitters at the same time, which is great for conference rooms. The Kickstarter limited tier is $59 for either the USB-C or HDMI set. That is $80 off the expected retail of $139. You get the transmitter, the HDMI, receiver, and a 120-watt data cable. 89 backers in, 159% funded, 19 days left. If cables are slowing you down, this is plug, play, done. Every time you check your phone for the time, you lose 30 minutes to doom scrolling. We all do it. What if there was a clock that was literally impossible to get distracted by? This is KLOKMAN, a spinning illuminated smart clock from KLOKMAN, a small design studio in the Netherlands. It uses persistence of vision, the same optical trick that makes a spinning propeller look like a solid disc, to create a floating display on a translucent shell. Inside the base are 2 rings of 60 ultra bright LEDs that pulse at nearly 10,000 hertz. The spinning cap above has 120 light channels that steer the light to 720 pixels. Because each LED serves 6 different pixels in rapid succession, the flicker is completely invisible to the human eye. The result is a display that feels organic and alive without the harsh glare of a screen. It is 90 millimeters across and just 30 millimeters tall. Made from FSC, certified wood carbon fiber reinforced PLA, and translucent PLA powered by USB-C, you get multiple display faces, a decorative mode with ambient kinetic patterns, custom text, and dynamic brightness that dims automatically at night. Set it up with 3 buttons on the base or use the companion app. The Early Bird Classic is 125 euros, about $145, 25% off. 44 left out of 50. There is also an XR version at 150 euros and a limited Founders Edition at 200 euros with a wooden accent and personalized engraving. 16 backers so far, 43% funded, 29 days to go. Honestly, watching this thing spin up for the first time looks like actual magic. That's it for today's Funbird. Leave your comment below if you like or don't like my finds. Thanks for watching and see you soon!